What is happening, everybody? Josh here from Spawn Fly Fish, and we're back with your weekly shop update. We don't have a lot for you guys in terms of new products. Things have kind of leveled out here at Spawn. We're just maintaining our stride, and we're going to keep moving forward every day. But we do have a couple things that we want to touch on. The first, and why they are relevant. The first is we got a whole mess of Rio soccer moms in here. This is a great little leech pattern for coastal cutthroat here in the streams and rivers. They come in an array of colors, and they all have that hot spot bead that we like on the front. So check those out if you don't tie. If you do tie, take a peek at these. They'll look eerily familiar to many sort of styles of flies that we use. They have that jig orientation, tail, dubbing. They have a little bit of hackle and that hot spot bead. So we do have those live on the site, in stock, ready to go. If you're coming out here or you're going to a coastal stream, check these out. They're going to be great. We have updated our June deals page, and one thing to highlight from it is that we have a bit of an overstock on some of the foamanizers. So we are offloading a couple of those. It will not be a June deal throughout the season, or throughout the month. So it'll kind of level out as we hit the appropriate inventory levels. I did a bit of an overbuy, and we're going to just smooth things out there on that line of products. Not all of the foamanizers are included in the sale, just a handful of them. So check that out. There's also a couple deals on some of your favorites, including the SA280 from Ahrex. We want to continue to get people to check that page out. So every now and then we're going to sneak a product on that, although it doesn't need to be discounted due to its popularity, we'll incentivize you guys to check it out. So pretty excited about that. Now moving into fishing. The thing that many of you guys care about and many of you guys tune in for these is the reason is to catch up with what's latest and greatest down here fishing. The jetty season is on the horizon. Things are starting to level out. The water clarity is increasing, so look forward to us here in the next several weeks announcing that it is hot and go time. So we are really excited about that. As far as our creeks and rivers go, water's really low. So we released an opening day video on YouTube about a week ago now, or 2 weeks ago now, and it's gone really well. But the water is very low. So in order to help out, we posted a blog on techniques and tactics to fish this low water. And it is live on our website, so do check that out. Fishing has been good, but it has been challenging. So the fish are there. They're not there in massive numbers that they have been when the water's a little bit higher, but they are there. They are willing to take a fly, so be patient. Check up on the blog, and you will find success. There aren't any dates that are on the horizon, but stay in tune, stay in touch with what we're doing. We have a lot of posts coming up. We'll continue to feed these YouTube videos out. We have a new tying tutorial that'll go live this week from Pete. Fantastic fly. So look forward to that in the near future. As always, hit like, hit subscribe. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Shop Spawn, and we will see you guys next week.